how you install a CPU. The only things you're going to need are a screwdriver and a little bit of elbow grease. And let's get to it. First you want to remove some of the wires that are inside the way. Then you want to take the heatsink, which is this here thing, pull it up. Yours might be a little bit more attached than not. And get it out of the way. Well, we already unscrewed the screws, so that's why it'll take a lot of time to unscrew. Depending on what type of CPU computer you got, it'll either be open in this way or open in this way. Ours opens this way. You want to only grab it by the sides. That's where you don't damage the CPU. Well, here's the second CPU right here. You want to take the CPU, place it there, then close it on up. You want to put the heatsink back. Close it back up.
So she gets to come in here and sing the other but we can't? Yes. Yes. It's not a we thing, there. No, don't talk to me, no. Just make sure
You didn't want to put those wires back where you found them, and that's how you uninstall it.
That's how you install CPU?